Assalamu alaikum dear students and welcome. Today I will tell you about the kidney disorders. So let's start our today's topic. Kidney disorder. There are many kidney disorders like kidney stones, kidney failure, and firstly I will tell you about the kidney stones. When kidney stone formed in the kidney, when urine become concentrated, जब यूरिन कंसनट्रेटेड हो जाए ड्यू टू द डिपॉजिट ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स ऑफ मैनी सॉल्ट्स like calcium oxalate, calcium, ammonium phosphate, then these hard deposits are called kidney stones. And these hard deposits cannot move easily, pass out easily from the urine. So most stones start in the kidneys. Some may travel to the ureter or urinary bladder. So there are many causes like less use of water, more use of green vegetables, salts, vitamin C and D, alcoholic consumption, recurring urinary tract infections. And the major causes of kidney stones are age, diet containing more green vegetables, recurring urinary tract infections, lack in intake of water, and alcoholic consumption. And now we will discuss about the symptoms and what are the symptoms of kidney stone. So here are the symptoms: severe pain in kidney or abdominal, lower abdomen, vomiting, urine with blood and pus. And we can cure the kidney stone with the help of different methods. Firstly, we can use the plenty of water to remove or pass out the stone from the urine. If it is not curable, if we cannot cure from this method, then we can go with the surgical treatment. And surgical treatment, in this treatment, the affected areas is opened and the stones are removed. We can also use lithotripsy method. In this method, non-electrical shock waves are used, and these are bombarded on the stones in the urinary system. Waves hit the stone and break down the stone into very small pieces like sand-like pieces, and then these stones can easily pass through the urine. So here, kidney failure or renal failure. Kidney failure means a complete or partial failure of kidney to function, कि किडनी अपना प्रॉपर फंक्शन परफॉर्म नहीं करती या बिल्कुल फंक्शन परफॉर्म करना छोड़ देती है. डायबिटीज, मेलिटस एंड हाइपरटेंशन आर दी main causes of kidney failure. These are the causes, and in certain cases sudden interruption in blood supply to kidney and drug overdoses may also result in kidney failure. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा मेडिसिन का ओवर यूज़ करते हैं या ब्लड सप्लाई किडनी को इंटरप्टेड हो जाती है, ख़राब हो जाती है, दीज आर द causes of kidney failure. The main symptoms की अगर बात करें, there is a failure is the high level of urea and other waste in blood, which can result in vomiting, nausea, weight loss, frequent urination and blood in urine. Excess fluid in body may also cause swelling legs, feet and face and shortness of breath. किडनी फेलियर की वजह से जब ये सॉल्ट्स वगैरह बॉडी में यूरिया वगैरह डिपॉजिट हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से लेग स्वेल हो जाती हैं, फीट एंड फेस भी स्वेल हो जाता है और आपको सांस लेने में डिफ़िकल्टी होती है. सो किडनी फेलियर इज ट्रीटेड विद द डायलिसिस एंड किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे I explain you about the kidney stone. So you will learn kidney stone, causes, symptoms and cure and treatment at kidney failure. So till the next, Allah Hafiz.